Good evening, everyone. My name is Sagar Pagal, and today our topic name is SQL. And today's date name is 11 September 2021. Firstly, what is meant by SQL? SQL is a structured query languages. MySQL. MySQL is a relational data types management system. Relational data types management system. This is our SQL. SQL is including the data warehousing, use for the data warehousing, e-commerce, and logging applications. Then logging application. This can be used for the SQL. Mostly SQL is for the Facebook, Google, Twitter. This database can be stored, can be MySQL, can be used. Then create the tables. Firstly, create the tables, which is go to from the schema. Then create the new schema. There's new schema inside the schema four function for firstly the table. Second is the store. Then for table, if you store the procedure and function is four function coming from the schema. Then first select the table, then right click table, create the new table, create the new table. Then in new table, this is the table name can related from the related information for student name of the table is student. Then next for select the firstly ID number in this data types ID int. Then required to the primary. Then second is the name. This is the data types varchar. Then third is the mark in this data types for int. Then batch ID can be required, batch ID in data types int. This is the create the first table, create the and apply, then create the first table. The table are created, then inside the table you fill the informations. This is the process. Can be create the table, then create the table. Then next is the data types. Data types can be used for the three types. Data types can be used for the numerical data types, data and times, and strings. Numerical data types can be used for the int, teeny int, small int, big int, then float, doubles, and decimals. These are the data types for the numerical. Then can be used for date and times. This date types can be used for the year, month, and day. Then date and time. Data types can be used for the date, year, month, and day, and horse, minute, and second. These types. Then third is time. Time can use for the horse, minute, and second. Then year can be used for two digit or four digit. Two digit for 79, 17, and four digit can be used for the 1967 This time data store come from the from the date and time. Then last is string data types. String data types can be used for the char data types. Char data types can be range for the 1 to 255 characters can be stored. Then where can be 1 to 25 same range can be used for the char. 1 to 20 character can be stored. Then text, tiny text, medium text, then big text. This is the data types can be used for the this type of data types can be used for the MySQL. Then next is the insert. Insert method can be insert any data field from in table. We can use for the insert into command, and insert into command. Then table names and then he insert the table information for ID. For example, student ID name, batch ID. This and the values command can be used for, and fill the information can require to fill the information for the table. This is adding this information, adding for the table. Then update me can be required existing any data can be exist, or any data can be modify the table, or any data can be exist. This can be used for the update command can be used and fill the information. Then next is delete the any information for the delete the any information can be table. We can be delete from keyword. Delete form command can be used for the table, delete form and table name, and which is data can be delete from field for, and this delete command can be used for. Then next is a uh, order by method can be used for order by the keyword can be used for the command can be used for the for your table is sorting ascending order or descending order. Any this is this types of this can be used for the order by, then used for the key primary can be used for the primary key contain the column or a specific unique value. Then primary key only table can be only column, only one column can be only one column. Then primary key can does not duplicate. Then primary key add any row then existing from the primary key. These are the primary key. Then foreign key can be used for a link one or more than tables or link this can be the foreign key. Then and any table two or more than value can be two or more than value can be required. We can be used for the where between 2 and 3. Then between can be used for the range can be find out the table which can be between word can be used. This is all about from the Mysql. Thank you.